Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your War Thunder account. So in order to do that, open up your War Thunder application and make sure to log into your account. After signing in, from the main homepage, tap on your profile avatar at the top left-hand corner. Now, inside the account tab, tap on Delete Account. If you're sure you'd like to log out and proceed with your deletion, tap on Delete Account and then you'll end up in store.guyzen.net website. From the page, simply go ahead and go through the delete account information displayed on the screen. After deletion, you will not be able to play any of Guyzen's game using this account. It'll delete all of your game achievements and purchase properties and so on. Simply go through these information first before deletion and before proceeding with the account deletion. And if you're ready, tap on Delete Account. Confirm your account deletion by going through the email link that you received via inbox. Simply open your email inbox and open up the email that you received from Guyzen.net where it says your account will be deleted. Tap it open and then tap on I confirm deletion and select a web browser to continue with. Now, your deletion process has begun. Your access to your account has been blocked as well, but your nickname will be available for the registration after the completion of deletion process. All the details of your Guyzen.net account will also be deleted. So that is how you will be able to delete your War Thunder application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.